Hey everyone, for today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to use your streak freeze on Duolingo. With this tutorial, you're going to be able to keep your streak when you missed a day. So, as you can see, I'm in the main tab, which is here. This allows you to choose from these paths, and every path you take is like a more advanced lesson. So if I start here, I'm gonna learn maybe like starter Japanese, but if I end up until here, I maybe become a master at Japanese. So now I'm gonna teach you how to use your streak freeze. So as you can see, I'm here like I said. You're gonna want to tap on the blue gems at the top, and this will take you to the shop. So just scroll down, and now as you can see, streak freeze. Once you buy a streak freeze, I'm actually gonna buy it for you so you can see. There you go. I just bought two for 400, and now you can see I have two of them equipped. So if I miss a day, one will be used, and if I miss two, the other one will be used, and if I miss three but have 0 left, my streak will die, basically. So you're gonna want to keep stocking up on this, or just don't miss a day. It's very simple. So now that I've showed you, if you think this was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any questions? Feel free to comment down below.